So, is there a true harp of Wales? Yes, there's actually two. The harp of ancient Wales was a very small harp, only about 19 strings. It was the harp of the bards, and it was strung with horsehair. The soundboard, instead of being made of wood, was actually made of animal hide. They had these little pegs underneath the strings that produced this braying sound. It's completely different to the harp we know and love today. Now, from the 1700s and onwards, we had a new harp that took the mantle of our national instrument. And this was an amazing instrument called a Delyn-Daearys, the Welsh triple-stringed harp. And that's the one I play. There's only about 50 players in the world. It's a really unique instrument because it's got about 93 strings arranged in 3 rows. The outer rows are diatonic like the white notes of a piano, and you can get this wonderful doubling, echoey effect as you play one row after the other. In the middle row, all the chromatics, all the sharps and the flats. It's a beautiful, beautiful instrument, but there's not nearly enough players.